What's up, Lashinistas? Welcome to the show. This is the LivBay podcast, where we talk about the ever-growing eyelash business. If this is your first time listening to our show, welcome. This podcast is dedicated to helping you grow as a lash artist and or lash business owner. So whether you work for yourself or someone else, this podcast is for you.
Hey guys, this is Mike and Shauna Jones. We are the owners of LivBay Lash. Our heart is to share with you guys our uphill battle in this lash industry and to show you what started out of a tiny bedroom in our house, extremely broke, has turned into an 8-figure company. We are here to encourage you during your lash journey and to give you guys a real, raw version of what things really like.
Yes. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about what gifts to get your clients, just like those new Mercedes and Rolexes.
Yeah.
Wrong industry.
Yeah, no.
But before we do that, just want to give you guys a couple quick announcements. We got classes going on. I don't know what's still going on for the month of December, if it's anything, but coming up in January, we're going to be in Houston, Tampa, Atlanta, Nashville, probably another Vegas one in there. We got VR classes coming up. Go to livbaycourses.com to check out all the upcoming dates and see what cities we're coming to.
Yes. And also know with our classes, you can do PayPal financing. There's a PayPal tab on our website. You just click that. They do check your credit. I know a lot of people ask that, but you can get financing. It's amazing. Or you can just put down the $300 deposit and then just save up until the class starts, because we ask for a full payment, the remainder of the payment the week before the class. So you can even put down the $300 and then save your money a little bit and then do that. And then also, if for some reason, God forbid, the class is canceled due to COVID, we are doing rescheduling dates like literally within just a couple days. So you can either move the class in the same city, you can take another class, or you can take a VR class.
Yeah.
The VR classes are amazing. Yeah. It's so much bang for your buck. And yeah, that's another option you can do too. Also, if you already know Classic, you can do Volume and Mega. It's a Wednesday through Friday, $1,000. You can do financing with that too.
Yeah.
Also, online memberships, $99 a month. LivBayCourses.com. If you need mentorship, you get 2 free full tutorials per month, 20% off products, a free gift per month. You have 2 lives with Mike and I per month, and then you have a customer service line where you can get your answers, your questions answered within minutes. It's amazing.
Super cool. I just noticed my sleeve was rolled up.
Asleep?
No, it was rolled up like I had a pack of cigarettes in it.
Ew.
Like a true white trash hillbilly.
Oh my gosh.
My pack of Newports were in there.
Stop.
When you shit your pants, you looked over, I was smoking a Newport.
No, I
was
no.
like, yeah, it's a great point, babe. Flicking it with my thumb.
Oh my God. Stop.
Pulled another one out, chain lit
die. What is so funny? So when Mike and I do drink like twice a year, we'll just get like lit. It's usually like at our Christmas party. Christmas party,
we get shit faced.
Yeah, like we don't drink, we don't do
we're
anything.
in it to win it.
Yeah, and then like twice a year, we just like literally act like we're 16 and get like alcohol poisoning the next day. So Mike's secret though about Mike is he will literally smoke a Virginia Slim when he's wasted. Like big dude, and he's got like a toothpick cigarette in his mouth. I'm like, what are you doing?
I've been known to like
he lives it.
I've been known to like a Virginia Slim.
He lives for it. I know when Mike has hit that like blacked out stage when he asked someone for a Virginia Slim.
Yeah.
Side note.
we went to a UFC Halloween party a few years ago. One of my buddies had it at his bar in like Boulder City, and we dressed as the Village people. And I had like a yellow construction vest on, only with a hard hat and like Daisy Duke shorts. And I was outside smoking a Virginia Slim, just lit out of my gourd, just smoking and flipping it with my man Daisy Dukes.
I was like, I walked out and I'm like, we're going to Taco Bell.
My buddy Steve came in looking like dressed like a Hooters girl.
I was like, what are you doing? Like, this is so.
We went to Taco Bell. I was so mad because I was about to pass out and throw up everywhere.
Yeah, and he never gets mad at me. And he was like, hurry up. Do you really need Taco Bell? I'm like, yeah. All right, anyways. What are we talking about today?
I didn't know where we were going with that.
Oh, we're talking about gifts for your clients for the holidays. Oh my gosh.
My ultimate white trash card just reared its ugly head.
Yeah, for real. Okay, so switching gears. So there is some really cute ideas out there that you can create for clients. You can either create it for all your clients, depending on your book of business and your budget, or you can basically go through, if you have like a booking system, there's a way for you to search like your highest paid clients, like people who literally come like every week or every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks, who have been with you the longest. I saw our lash artist, Danny, the other day. She had this like cute little like plastic thing she bought. She put like a Bath and Body Works like hand sanitizer in it. Gosh, what else was in it? It was so cute. It was just like this cute little thing, but she like chose like, you know, like her clients who have been with her the longest. There was like probably about like 15, and she just gave them specifically like this cute little gift. So you can pick and choose on how you want to do it, also depending on your budget. There's some cute places where you can go, like the dollar store, 99 cent only. You can literally get like the cute packs of the Christmas bulbs. If you have a Cricut or like a sticker machine or anything.
Or you can pay someone to cheat to do it.
Yeah, but like if you have a Cricut, like you can get a Cricut off OfferUp. Like I have a Cricut and I've used it once. I wish I had more time to use it, but I was like, it was so much fun when I did use it. But you can make cute little Christmas bulbs. You can put little lashes on them. You can get lash stickers and just put the lash stickers on the bulbs, and put it in like a cute like little cellophane wrap thing, or like some little, what are they called? The little jewelry, whatever. And you can give it to your client. I think that's a super cute idea, but it's inexpensive. You can get them, literally you can just get like a couple of them for $1. You can even get like the smaller ones too. That's super cute. You can give away a free lash bath, one of your lash baths, if you retail lash baths, or someone else's lash bath, our lash bath, and you can put like a cute scrunchie around it. That's like a super cute idea.
The main thing is, it's not necessarily as much about the gift you're giving as the fact you're giving it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So if it's $1 gift, you know what I mean? And I'm not talking about like necessarily the brand new client who just showed up, but you know, the people that have been with you have been supporting you since day one, and are coming to you all the time regularly for fills and shouting you out and trying to refer people to you. Those are the ones you're going to make sure you give the gifts to. And let's say you've got 50 cents or $1 or $2 into that gift. What's $2? I mean, I know it adds up after you do like a ton of people, but it just shows you care. Like you're giving something back. People love getting a gift, right? They just love getting gifts regardless what it is. I get a Christmas card from our friends Dave and Danielle, and I get the same Christmas card every year. But I was so excited to open it because it wasn't a bill or junk mail. And it was like Happy or Merry Christmas from Dave, Danielle, and it's even got a picture of the dog and their new cat. And I'm like, yay.
It's so cute.
It was cute. It was cool. It was fun. You know, it's Christmassy. And it shows you care about them.
Yeah, and it can be something, you can even like
Starbucks $5 gift card.
I was going to say, yeah, like a $5 Starbucks card, or let's say like you don't have the extra money to spend. You can make gift cards like through Vistaprint, or you can literally like get like a card, you can get Christmas cards from 99 cent only. I love 99 cent only, by the way. But you can get like a pack of Christmas cards from 99 cent only, and you can like write in them and like offer like $5 off their next service. Like you can even do that for like a Christmas gift, like for your clients. You know what I mean? That will, number one, like get them to come back as they normally are because they're your regulars or your clients, but it's just something like you're giving to them and they're going to appreciate that. And I mean, you know, as a lash artist too, like your clients come in around Christmas time and you're getting so many gifts from them. Like one of our lash artists had like a huge tote bag of like White Claws.
Dude, that's awesome.
From like their client. Like, so you
Anybody
know that.
listening, I'll take a tote bag of White Claws. I'll even drink them with you.
Yeah.
You want to come hang out at the corporate office? I'll polish them off with you.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, so for the holidays, like, you know that like your clients are coming in and they're giving you cute, thoughtful gifts, and you know you can do something really inexpensive, like literally take advantage of like the Dollar Trees, the dollar stores, the 99 cent onlys. You can even go to Ross and get like packs of stuff. Just like make it cute and girly, put a balloon on it, put stickers on it, whatever. But your clients are going to love and appreciate you, and they just think that that's so thoughtful. I have like a hair on my lip.
You always have a hair on your lip.
I know.
You and Colin.
My hair is everywhere.
No, listen, not every tip we're going to give you guys is going to be necessarily just like lash advice. This is just like life advice.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This is, if you were selling, you know, microblading, it wouldn't matter. It's just the fact that you're reciprocating to your clients. This is what builds that lifetime bond, those lifetime clients that are your ride or die who are never going to leave you. Just the fact that you care. And if you've been lashing for a while, you know every year at Christmas time, you get loaded up with gifts too, because people love their lash artists.
Yeah,
like,
they do.
They look forward to the appointment. They feel beautiful. They get to vent, and you sit there and listen and, you know, and laugh back at their jokes. And they're just like, you're the coolest thing since sliced bread.
Yeah. Another like cute thing you can do, because this was a gift that Mike and I received after COVID from one of our lash artists, Ashlyn, who's super creative and thoughtful.
The bourbon?
No. This was just something that literally just cost.
She got me bourbon. That was an epic
such
idea.
a thoughtful gift. But
I drank it all too, just so you know.
But this is like for your mom clients. Like she had this, she's very artistic. She can like draw and like she made like a card. She like wrote like our names on it, made it really pretty, just a blank card. And then she had this cute bag with like ribbon on it. And it was literally just cupcake mix and
yeah, I remember that.
Sprinkles and it was like, hey, like, you know, I know you guys have, you know, had to shut down the salons, but maybe you can like, you know, cook these cupcakes with the kids. And it was like the most thoughtful gift, and it was literally under like $4. So like
Wow,
that's
I
something
forgot about
else.
that.
Yeah, I loved it. Like, and I did. I baked them with olive. But
I
like,
ate them.
yeah, you did eat them. But those are just cute. Like you can also think like, okay, well, like if you have like a client who's a mom, like you could do something cute like that, because there's nothing that touches a client's heart like you doing something for their kids.
Oh yeah.
If you ever want to win my heart, do something for Olive and Baylor, and it would just literally melt. And I'm not a softie, so I'm very hard. So it's very hard to get through to this. But do something for my kids.
It only works for outsiders. If I do something for the kids, I don't get laid.
You get laid all the time. And we've been together for what? How long have we been together?
A year.
Yeah, right. We'd be having sex right now if we were together for a year.
Going on 9 years.
9 years. And he gets laid all the time.
Yeah.
Whether it's by himself or me, it happens.
Wait a minute. That's not true.
Yes. Mike and I are doing this interview. It's going to be like showcasing like our business class, and there's these questions that people are going to ask us, and it's like, what's the worst thing Mike's ever done to Shauna? And I have the funniest story for you guys. You're going to die. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, I can only imagine. I can only imagine.
And Mike never does anything wrong. So it's going to be juicy good. You guys are going to laugh so hard. Anyways, so anything else you want to add?
I don't know where to go from there.
Yeah. Anyways, there's cute stuff. Go to the dollar store, and they have the cutest little Christmassy stuff.
If you get a 99 only or Dollar Tree or any of those places around, go there. They've got Christmas cards, stuff with lashes on them, bulbs. Just get creative. Put it together. Get a pack of lash print scrunchies. Just think outside the box. It doesn't have to be anything super expensive. It can be under $4, $3, $2, whatever.
Yeah, $2.
Just do something. Steal a picture of your clients off of Facebook with their family.
That's what I did too.
Put that on a card for them. Just think outside the box. I'm just saying, it's the fact that you're giving them something. It's a gift. It doesn't have to be of any crazy monetary value. You're not buying them a new Ferrari. You're not doing like, just get them something nice, and they're going to be like, they're going to love you forever. It's just the thought behind it. The time and effort you put into actually thinking of them is what's going to come down to. Because then you don't look like a schmuck who's just trying to club them over the head and take money. You actually look like someone who genuinely cares about them, which is where that bond is established, you know, for them to stick around forever. Plus, they're always going to refer people to you.
Yeah. And just try and make it a little personalized. Like, don't like just have like a big basket in your room, like full of gifts, and like you're just handing them off.
Yeah, same one. Here you go.
Like the same one. Like try and make it a little bit more.
I got you a gift. Popcorn for you. Popcorn for you. Popcorn for you.
Just make it a little bit more personal, like to where like it has her name on it and stuff like that. Because women pay attention to detail, and they love that like personalized touch. So I think that if you do that too, it just makes it more like special.
Yeah, that's a really good point.
Yeah. It's
a really good point. The attention to
I'm just
detail.
like the most thoughtful person you'll ever come across. Like I am old school. Like someone has a baby, I cook from scratch for them. Like old school morals.
She still drops pasta off people's house and they have a baby. We were going to do it to our neighbor the other day, but then I thought it'd be a little weird. Because
of COVID going on.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little weird. Gotta improvise a little bit, but.
Ding dong. There you go. I made it herself.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. No. Okay. Good episode, babe.
Good episode.
All right.
All right, we're going to get laid. I'm kidding.
Mike's going to go get laid. I'm going to go in the bathroom and act like he has to poo.
Wow.
We've been married for 9 years. I can say that.
Wow.
Okay.
All right. That's all we got for you.
Anyways, refer a friend, join the Lash Scoop too. That's another awesome group that we're in it right now. We're kind of redoing that one. Anyways, thanks for watching the episode.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.